Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, where today I'll show you how to easily install a dash cam on a brand new Mazda MX-5. Let's go. Dongar Technologies makes an awesome dash cam adapter compatible with the ND Mazda Miata as well as other models in the Mazda lineup. The one seen here is what they call a 10-pin Type A, and trust me when I say this setup is going to be easy. This is what I'm working with today: the dash cam adapter, two short-length USB cables which also come in the box, a Garmin Mini 2, and a trim removal tool which is totally optional here, you'll see. Let's start the installation by taking a look at the rearview mirror. Remember folks, if you don't have an auto-dimming or HomeLink equipped mirror, this will not work for you. This vehicle is equipped with those features, so let's move forward. If we look behind the mirror, you'll notice a cable running to the back of it. This is what we'll need access to. Tilt the rearview mirror down and to the side for better access, then simply push down on the tab and pull out the cable from the connector port. This is a bit challenging with one hand in a tight space, so please use both hands and pull straight out during this process. Remember that trim removal tool from earlier? I used that to help guide the connector out. Now that we have it disconnected, let's attach our Dongar Technologies adapter. We're going to connect this end into the rearview mirror and attach this end to your car's original connector. Now what we'll be left with is a USB receptacle. Before moving any further, let's go ahead and turn on the vehicle to ensure this unit is receiving power. We can confirm this by the blue light seen within the USB module. Go ahead and connect the appropriate dashcam cable and plug it into your Garmin Mini 2 or whatever dashcam you're running. You should see it light up in a few seconds. By the way, the yellow lights flashing here, that's because the unit does not have an SD card, which unfortunately you will have to pick up separately, at least for the Garmin Mini 2. Now that we know our dashcam is receiving power, let's tidy up and find a good spot to attach our Garmin Mini 2. Firstly, always find a spot that does not obstruct your driving view. Then, ensure that the camera is pointing in the right direction and capturing footage cleanly so you can avoid shady situations like this. And just like that, we're done. I cannot emphasize how helpful dashcams are in today's world, and especially on something like an MX-5. Because let's be real, no one really sees us out there on the roads, so it's definitely a step forward when it comes to safety. In any case, hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial, and feel free to like and subscribe for more content like this. Cheers and drive safe, y'all. Peace.